Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Ford Mustang. First, gather your essential tools: a set of jumper cables, a working vehicle with a fully charged battery, and safety gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Position the working vehicle so it's close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles are not touching each other. Always inspect both batteries for any visible damage or leaks before you begin. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Then, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block of the vehicle with the dead battery, away from moving parts. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the process. Start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to allow some charge to transfer. After this, attempt to start the vehicle with the dead battery. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another 2 or 3 minutes and try again. Once your Mustang starts, let it run for at least 15 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently. Once your vehicle is running, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct order to prevent electrical issues. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface on the engine block of the now started vehicle. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the good battery's negative terminal. Then, remove the red positive clamp from the good battery's positive terminal. Finally, disconnect the red positive clamp from the now started vehicle's positive terminal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.